very good move last week and the past month actually. We managed to break the all-time high with a very good volume, but not a very clean move, because we can see that we managed to break and consolidate above 2000, that it was our main area of interest, or basically not for investors but psychologically for gold. This is a very pressure area for both bears and bulls. So as we can see, we had a lot of in the past months, especially this year, we interact a lot with this area. This is only the past month's price action. So we can see this each candle is a 4-hour. It's a lot of interaction in this, only in this area. If we zoom out again and we go to other years, we will see that this area, if I put my line here, since 2020 we have a lot of interaction here. Like by interaction I mean like we're breaking, but we're not breaking like with full bodies or full wicks consolidating above. The nearest point we had was in 2021, I think, not 2022. We managed to break with a good candle. If we zoom out again, let me see. Okay, so we can see that we managed to consolidate with good solid volume, good 4-hour candles. We're almost half session, almost one full day consolidating with only bull candles here. We can see that we have a rejection week 2067 that was around the last all-time high. Let me just zoom this so I can narrow it. It's 270. That's very solid. I can go, it's almost 271. That's our kind of our previous all-time high. I would say it was 281, but 270 281 area, it's quoted in different brokers per liquidity, so we can consider this as a major structure. But let's go back to 2000. We can see that we break, but we recover so fast. The retest is minor in this area because we managed to break and revalue again. This time we also kind of touched the area, but who cares? It's not even a break, so price just rejected and revalued. Like this time we had a similar move like the one that was creating, well, the pattern was very similar. We had a previous bull run and the price just revalued actually not very fast. Let me just stop myself. It was a very long revaluation, but it was needed because, as we remember, since 2020 we're pushing a lot of liquidity and volume into the market to the pandemic and many other issues. So prices are reacting, markets actually and investors are reacting to what we have, because we have previous liquidity that central banks and reserves are trying to, let's say, like to stabilize or to try to take it out of the market volume, that it's not balanced, just to say it in easy words. So that's what you can see, gold revaluating again against USD. But here we have another period where the Fed started again the hikes and we topped to 5.5%. That's where we are today. And remember, we start having another good news for the dollar until we had another war or another political situation. So let's go back to the present days. We had this major push in the market open, and as mentioned, we revalued and we managed to drop directly to 2000. It was a very clean actually retracement. We could say that our NRP, we kept saying 1971. So look at almost at the precision of our analysis, because remember, we don't provide ifs or probabilities or just random levels. We really just share what price might do based in trap positions or trap liquidity or whatever our strategy is trading with real live money, you know. So in this situation we managed to get to 73. We were marking 71 as a very important area. Leave the price ranging in this area. I think that the major range is still 1971 because we didn't touch, so we have a lot of wicks here and the next liquidity traps here, but price needs to go back here, needs to retest this area because the volume here is insane. I mean, this is a lot of money that is trap. It's paying swaps, it's gonna pay 2024 swaps if we don't break this structure, at least in this area. Don't spec here, we don't have the volume of the participants, in this case central banks, to push again the price here. But 2024 is gonna be a very emotional year for traders, let's say, because if the hikes start going down, price is gonna go very fast. Again, let's say 16,000, it's not our new revaluation, but 1800s will be very 1600, sorry, 1800s will be very, very, very suitable for price to revalue. And from that on, if price goes again and breaks all-time high in 2024, who cares? We're trading both sides, so just keep your chart smart. Don't let the market trap you. As you can see, every cycle it's the same. It's just a revelation, so we can push again. So just make sure you're not getting trapped here when the push starts. You need to be here or here at least, so you can at least manage the risk until the top. We managed the risk until 1971. We were here trading live and we got like 10% risk and we closed 18-20% just to keep it safe. We could even went for more. I mean, the move was huge, but we give priority to client safety or fund safety. So just keep the chart safe, your money safe, don't overtrade, and let 2024 hit.